Sometimes most of the dirt gets stuck in the fan. So if you hear a loud noise, that's stuff hitting against the fan, just like direct air vacuum. Right now it's bouncing off the fan. I'm gonna open the door so it's easier for me to get in. Look at all that dirt up there, watch. That is. Doesn't do the best job, but it's better than nothing. Like these little rocks right here, just pick them up, no problem. Or you can just take this off. And you can see, whoa, they have all your dirt in there. And sometimes it comes out. So it's better to put your hand on the bottom like this so it doesn't come out. I just gotta throw it in the grass. Then you want to continue vacuuming. Just do the same thing you did. Like I said, fan's right there. Sometimes stuff gets stuck in the fan. That's what that noise was you were hearing. This thing can really be a pain to put on sometimes. Although this is the wrong way, I don't care. I like the crunch. We have a crevice tool. Hold on, let me get that out. The crevice tool. This vacuum's so convenient. That. Sucking in all the dirt. Hopefully it doesn't run the battery down. Oh, that was loud. Yeah, look at all that dirt right there. Let's get between the cracks of the seat. That'd be really useful. This thing doesn't have much power, if I guess. I'd say it has about 0 point something amps. I'm going to switch back to the other tool, the red one. Oh yeah, there is a lot of dirt right there. I should have probably stayed for the crevice, but I'm only using this so that I can just get the dirt that's in this seat. But it's probably full, that's why it's not sucking up that good. So, I'm gonna have to empty it. Give me a second. Hey, now, more vacuuming. Oh, accidentally unplugged it. Let's use the crevice tool to get that. It's kind of a hassle when you have to keep doing this.